festival holidays. We are starting off with the flight of mimosas at Making Spirits Right. There's 3 mimosas that we're getting, the pear, pomegranate, and white cranberry. And what booth is it? Number 4. Booth number 4. And I'm so sorry, these are all out of order. I'm wearing different shirts. I might try to put it all in order, like booth 1 to 12. But we're gonna see how that works out. Because I mean, I didn't want something, you know, in the morning and then something like afternoon, and it takes 2 days to film because, woo, I know they're all snack size, but 2 people cannot eat that much. Like, I don't know, but we're back. And the cups are not, oh, I can't get it out. And the cups are little cute little cups. The mimosa flight. Number 1, mimosa, the white cranberry. Number 2, pomegranate. And number 3, the pear. So the pear, I give it literally a 3 out of 10. That was, I would never ever in my life get that again. I mean, it was a little weird. The pomegranate, I give it 7 out of 10. Like, it was good, yeah. And then the white cranberry, which had a little cranberry in it, that I give like 9 out of 10. I would get that again, definitely. Booth number 12, Sliderland. We are getting the roasted turkey slider. It has like cranberry sauce in it, yum. Roasted turkey slider, 9 out of 10. That was, I would get that again, no matter what. Like, whew, that was really good. And the cranberry sauce on top, perfect. It's like, 10 out of 10. They also give you a lot of meat. Like, that was, slider was stacked with all that turkey. Good. What do you, ma'am, rate the mimosas? And then we also had the slider, the turkey roasted slider. What do you rate those?
The slider was delicious. Very good, very good. Festive spirit. Mimosas were good. I'm so sad, so disappointed. I really was expecting something more than a metallic taste, but the other 2, loved it.
What do you rate mimosas?
As a flight, I'm gonna give it a 7. It was really good, but that pear just kind of dropped that rating down.
And slider?
Slider 7. I liked it.
It was pretty good. I'd get that.
all toys. It's time to get back to the toy box. If you are not a toy, we thank you for joining us. And please enjoy the rest of your day at Disney Festival of Holidays.
We are on our way for dessert to Treats for Santa. We're gonna decorate a cookie. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate, maybe some milk, and it's near booth 12 at the Redwood Creek Trail. So you actually have to go inside the trail to decorate our snowman Mickey cookies. Here is the cookie snowman decorating. You have your snowman cookie, and they give you, what is this?
Red frosting.
Red frosting. Sprinkles. And white frosting? Yeah. And a decorator. Wow, this is fancy stuff right here, Mom.
Wow.
Fancy smancy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this glorious tool. I mean, I could create a masterpiece with this. Also, this is my hot chocolate. I got it for $4.75. Do not recommend getting that because you can get a taller hot chocolate for more, or for, well, you get more, but it's for less. This is my final outcome. I think I did pretty good. My mom did a genius idea. We put the icing in here and I just like bit off the edge of the bag. Oh my gosh. And that's how I made these lovely snowflakes. His little sweater thingy. His ears are filled with sprinkles. Oh my god. I'm actually in love. I did really good. Yay me! So that was Treats for Santa. Honestly, the cookie, I mean, I've had better cookies. But it was fun. Like, if your child's gonna eat it. It's sweet, delicious. They're gonna love it. You can decorate it though. That is so fun. And then Santa is actually over down there. So you can like come meet Santa at Disneyland and make a cookie for him. But let's be honest. That cookie's not gonna make it to Santa. But you can still decorate it, it's so fun. Did you have fun?
Yes, and I love the sprinkles. Once the sprinkles were gone, I was done with the cookie.
Yeah, but the frosting was really good actually. Super good. The Spicy Celebrations is booth number 10, and we are getting the chocolate chipotle pâte de crème. So, yay! The chipotle chocolate cream, that was really good. The chocolate was super good, but honestly it was too spicy for me. Like, first bite, like, oh, you're like, wow, chocolate, yum, and then it gets to your throat and you're like, oh my gosh, like, it's a burning. It like in your throat though, like your mouth is totally fine, but your throat is on fire. So honestly it was too spicy for me, but well, I give it a, like, the chocolate was really good though. I give it like a 6. But I couldn't handle it. How about you?
I'm gonna give it a 7.5 because I really liked it. I'd never had chocolate custard before, and that extra spice, that's the 0.5 I give it. It was a little surprise, little kick, but I liked it a lot.
This is a tasting passport. It has a list of all the booths, any single one, all 12, and you can find every single food that's in that booth, all the beverages in that booth, and what they're celebrating, Christmas, Hanukkah, anything. And you can get little stamps at each of the booths, where at the very front it has a secret saying, a secret word. You don't know what it is, I encourage you to go find out, go to the booth, get your stamp, and it says which meal is kid friendly, vegan friendly, milk friendly, gluten friendly, and all your extra stuff. And you can do notes on all the foods and index for your vegans and vegetarians. I encourage you to get this book and try everything. That concludes our Festival of Holidays. And to end it, I got myself a pomegranate lemonade because literally best drink. Like better than the alcohol, better than the other like pineapple punch thing. This is where it's at. Pomegranate lemonade. Get it while it's here. It's great. Cheers!